everybody. How are y'all doing today? We're here at Shaw Nature Reserve this morning. We're here today to look for some smaller birds, warblers, and indigo buntings, maybe some northern bobwhites if we can find them. So we got pretty much all day, so we're gonna search and we're gonna try to find, guys. Right here. It's right here. I'm gonna get a picture of them, guys. This is exactly what we came here for. Dude, guys, that was awesome. We got the common yellow throat. That was exciting. And dude, I'm getting more like macro shots of bugs than I am birds right now. There's just tons of bugs on this prairie. It's really neat to see because it's like a lot of butterflies, grasshoppers, you know, just stuff I've never really gotten a chance to like get up close to. So it's been a really neat experience for me. I'm rather enjoying it right now. So let's keep on tracking, guys, and see what we can find. Area that I'm in right now definitely does not look like it's been really touched much by human contact, so I'm kind of excited to see what we find in this area. Maybe find an owl or something, a fox, I don't know, something. It'd be really neat. Okay, so we came up short this time on this location, but that's okay. It's a new area. You can always come back here and check this out. It's got plenty of potential. So I'm super excited about this find, guys. All right, so I'm headed back to the prairie area. So hopefully we can find some like yellow-breasted chats, indigo buntings. So let's go check it out. There's an abundance of common yellowthroats in this field. It's really neat to see. Like they're just flying all over the place. So this is really enjoyable. This is a great location to start off next time when we come here. Plenty of wildlife to see. We could set up a hide and hopefully something comes our way. All right guys, so I'm headed out of the prairie area. Let's go check out the marshlands next. See what we can find there. All right guys, so we made it to the marshland. So there's usually a lot of wildlife in this area. So let's go check it out, man. So we've been in somewhat of a drought, and you can tell, look at the marsh. That's only a little one. Let's go see the bigger areas of the marsh, and hopefully not as bad as that. Otherwise, I don't think we're gonna have any luck today, guys. It is a scorcher outside today. I'm gonna hang out in the shade for a second because woo, boiling. Well, as you can see, it's not dried out, but definitely lower. As far as any kind of birds or wildlife right now, nah. It's way too hot. They're probably in the shade somewhere, so walked all this way for disappointment, but I kind of figured that when I saw that first little part in the beginning when we started walking this way. But yeah, it's what it is. Well guys, it's miserable outside today. The marsh was a complete disaster. It's blazing hot, so I don't really blame any of the animals for being out. It's pretty stupid for me to be outside right now too, but so I'm probably gonna just either call it quits or find a nice shady spot and just chill out for a little bit. It's just way too hot. Wow guys, so I was leaving the trail coming from the marsh. Common yellowthroat landed like right next to me. I got some great shots of them. So that was super exciting, man. All right, guys. Well, I'm done for the day. It's really hot, and I gotta go to work soon. So I really appreciate everybody coming along with me and experiencing this lovely hot day. We got some great photos, and again, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Y'all have a blessed day.